Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on December 18th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.86. And at this point, my main assumption was that if this asset doesn't break this bottom at $4.73 or this bottom as well at 4.8 mark, we have to see a bounce to the upside that potentially might land at the levels of $5.4 or even $5.8. And guys, here is the actual price action. We didn't break even the first lowest point that I marked as the level of about $4.85, and we definitely didn't break the second one, which means the setup is still on the table. And on today's video I will show you what should we expect next. And as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, let's begin with some fundamentals. I have to admit that right after the Christmas Eve and right before the New Year party, it is very slow period of the US stock market, especially in regards to the ADRs, Chinese ADRs of Chinese companies that were listed on the US stock market. And if you switch on a 1 minute time frame, you can see that the volume is extremely low on NIO for the last several sessions, which means we might see right after this slow period comes to its end, we might see a substantial spike in its price in either direction. And on today's video, I will try to show you in which direction this asset might go. So, first of all, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to NIO Stock. If you type in Google search bar NIO Stock and switch to News Tab folder, you will not find a lot of recent news that might be the catalyst one way or another of NIO Stock. But we all know that, well, again, let's take a look at cnvpass.com, and even right here we don't have any recent news that are younger than December 18th, sorry. And which means that with the lack of news in the majority of cases, any asset might go to the downside. But here we have very strong ranges of support. And guys, I have to admit that we don't have even more filings on the so-called smart money investors list. We have the most recent one that was made more than 10 days ago from Great Capital. They closed their position. But in general, we have several companies who opened new positions on this stock, and we have a set of companies who rebalanced their portfolios. And this means NIO is still in consolidation phase. And guys, from the technical standpoint, I told to my viewers at the levels of about 7.5 to even $8 mark that we have to see the retracement. But a lot of viewers told me that I don't know anything about this company and this asset should go much higher from these levels directly. And guys, it doesn't matter what you think about this stock, it doesn't matter even what I think about a stock. The only important thing for any asset on the market is the price action and its behavior on the previous time periods. And these movements to the upside, guys, always should have retracements, and this retracement happened. And if, as you can see, we have a very good level of support from the golden pocket range. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that despite the fact that this asset has a very deep retracement that broke 0.5 level and 0.5 is the level which is quite crucial for the stock, because in general it is the level that shows that this asset might have a trend continuation in its impulsive manner. But when this asset broke this level, we might see not the highest price point for the top of the wave. So let's delete all unnecessary tools and let me show you what price target do we have from this point. I have to admit that first of all we have to see the bounce to the upside, and to measure this bounce in the most conservative way we have to pull FIB retracement tool from this top to this lowest point, to this level, and we have $5.38 as the first price target if this bottom holds, and $5.78 to the second price target, with an anticipation that it is just a bounce, not the real trend reversal. And we have about 10% to the first price target and about 18% to the second price target, 18% of potential profit. But guys, this is a quite interesting part. We are in consolidation, as I already mentioned, and we might have quite substantial spikes in price right after December 31st. And let me remind you that at the very beginning of January, NIO will publish their deliveries results for not only for the December but for the entire year, and depending on these numbers we can project whether NIO achieved its main goal of the non-GAAP profitability or not. And if so, guys, if they are profitable for the first time ever, it will be a huge bullish catalyst for this asset. But if NIO fails to deliver these numbers, it will be a negative catalyst. And in general, yes, I am leaning towards more bullish scenario, but I don't have a crystal ball. That is why, guys, you have to use an advanced strategy like straddle option strategy that allows you to be profitable in regardless of the direction of the NIO movements. And that is how you can achieve quite decent profits within next, I would say, couple of weeks. But be cautious with the Greeks, because with the higher volatility we have to pay more premium for these option contracts. That is why you have to keep in mind all the details about this upcoming event. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.